Hey guys, welcome in. Today we are doing a deer today, step by step. Not necessarily the Milwaukee bucks, but we are doing a little hunting theme. So I even got my Menards hat. Some ideas and inspiration for here. So probably the size of my hand going sideways.
Hunting season and that time of year is very, very popular here in Wisconsin where I live. So
let's get into this kind of head shape, kind of like a curved face, coming down a little bit more, almost just like a human head. That kind of dips down on both sides really. This one will curve over. This one will also curve over.
And then it'll follow back around to the back side here, and then in the front.
Also kind of go down. Go to kind of different points down here on the bottom with the legs kind of drip down from each kind of little side. And then the belly goes over a little bit. And then this back leg drips. So you can kind of see how I'm kind of getting my points, kind of make everything kind of proportionally feel a little bit more comfortable with that shape. I can go through that a little bit darker now. Okay, that looks pretty nice now. More deer-like by doing the head or the face. So as their antlers go kind of out and then back in, depending on how many points that it has on the top, that is kind of up to you. But first starting out will kind of be those ears that kind of flop out to one side and then out to the other side in that same kind of style.
Where it kind of goes out and then back in, out and then back in.
Similar at the bottom, small, and then out and back in. Back part kind of flops on one or the back side of it, making it look a little bit more 3D. All right, and then we have our rack. I'm gonna kind of build it up from the bottom, down and up, and then really follows that.
Kind of one, another one, two, and then another one, kind of three up here. Like I said, you can kind of keep going, but I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3.
And then on this side, follow that same pattern. Nice, I like that. Now I can kind of fill that in a little bit thicker.
Almost like block and bubble letters, a guideline.
Now on that face, really about the ear size on each side will kind of droop down towards the middle. The eye will loop around. You can leave a little highlight kind of in there, but most of that will be colored in. And then that really follows with the like almost eyebrow area, kind of jetting towards that snout or the nose in that middle. And that's when it starts to definitely stand out as a deer. So this is starting to look good on here. Obviously, the more details, the lining that you do around it will make it look a little bit more realistic, but I'm gonna go through this in Sharpie and then start thinking about what I'm gonna do for my background. So let's go through that real quick. That is looking a lot better now there. Let's make a little magic happen. Let's go my camouflage hat here. Let's make this disappear and just like, are you ready? Really decorate and design this deer to make it look like one piece of an overall picture composition from top to bottom, side to side, really trying to get some of that camouflage and the colors of all the foliage and outside. And if you know anything about Wisconsin, deers kind of hang out right on the edge of kind of grass, cornfields, right by the edge of the kind of the woods and forest on there. So that's the kind of look I was going for in the background. So hopefully you guys had some fun with this. As always, I am Mr. Shooty. This is Mr. Shooty's Art Channel. We'll talk to you guys later.